Okay, I want to start from 6. Okay, then after 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, I want to be a stop to the 11 one. Let's see these things. I will be going to save these things, and you can see Professor different, Rohit different, and this is one is my original one, isn't it? Now let's do the print to the Kadam also. That is also very easy. Let me take as it is to the copy these things, and after 11 there is a 12. So I want to write the okay 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, 5 obviously 1 2 3. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. I want to start from to the 12. Okay, so over here I want to be start from 12. Okay, then over here after this one I don't want to be a stop anywhere. I want after whatever I have, I want print everything. So I will be not going to write over here anything, just I will be put to the empty space or empty value. So definitely it will be take whatever I have after to the 12 number. You can see all kadam is 2. Because of the reason over here I do not use I can say I do not write in anything. So that is the meaning of we can say to the slice to end, means if I want to be end anything, so we can say we can end via the slice. And even you can do also, even if you don't want to be right in the front also anything, then everything will be coming the front whatever we have. Suppose I don't want to be, I want to start from 0. So obviously it is 0 starting, though if you are not writing 0 also, still we don't have any problem. This is we called as a I want to start the slicing from to the I can say that I want to be start to the slicing from a starting position. So these things are there, you can see. If I run these things, we can check Professor Rohit Kadam. So these things are, it's possible. And even guys, we have to be a negative indexing also, like this is we use everywhere as a positive number. Right now we can able to use to the negative number also using by print after that inside of the bracket a. Then again we can say the the what I can say, this is your which bracket, it is a square bracket, isn't it? And then after we can write the negative number. Negative means what? Always starting from to the behind. Okay, negative number are counting from behind. But whenever we are counting from behind, we are not using 0. We are counting from 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5, like that. Okay, suppose I want to start from over here minus 1. So let's say I want to start from minus 1. Okay, till I want to be a stop where minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5. Okay, so obviously it's a minus 5 or the minus 6. Okay, let's try this one, and this is we call as a negative indexing. Okay, negative indexing. Control S saved. Right now run button we are using, you can see it is started from to the behind. Okay, so that possibilities are there. Okay, so you can try by yourself also, it is very important and even it is very good. But problem is there right now, whatever I can see, there will be no any output, isn't it? Let me remove these things for the temporary. Control S saved. Let me try it. Let me check why the output is not came. Okay, see the output is not there. So because of the reason, I think so the negative is starting from like minus 1, and I want to write over here minus 5. Let me check this thing. Control S saved and run button. Okay, see it is started properly. So obviously what happened, like I want to be a right also from to the right hand side, and I want to be a stop to the left hand side, like see over here like a minus 1. So it I want to be right over here minus 1. So minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 5. After letter I want to take another letter like a minus 6, then the kadam will be coming. Control S saved, run button over here, you can see. Okay, still is not coming. Let me check why. Control S saved. Minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 should become. Let's see why it's not coming. If suppose I will be going to write the 7. Okay, so over here also I think so we need to start from a 0. That's why that M is not coming, because it is also taking from sentence from behind. Okay, so let's go right over here, obviously 6, and I'm starting from counting minus negative. Let me check over here. Okay, it's not coming. Okay, then I think so 1, if you are rotate, then what happened, the M is missing, you can see. Let me run to the these things, you can see is M is missing. So what we can going to do, if we are not writing anything from over here and if you're directly writing -6, I think so this also will be the work. See, right now there will be no any kind of miss, and this is why gap are there, because of the reason we are taking a -6. If we are taking -5, that will be things will be a settle down. You can see like that. So it's depend upon guys how you want to be called to the things. There are different methods we have. We can call to the slicing. Okay, over here we will going to stop the thing.